Imagine it's a calm night 66 million years ago. Dinosaurs roam the land. Everything seems normal, but far above in the depths of space a cosmic monster is racing toward Earth. It's bigger than Mount Everest, moving faster than a speeding bullet, and nothing can stop it. This wasn't just a bad day for the dinosaurs, this was the worst day Earth has ever seen. So where did this space rock come from? Could another one be on its way? And what would happen if it hit us today? This is the story of the day the world nearly ended. Our story begins in what's now the Gulf of Mexico, but back then it was a warm, shallow sea teeming with life. A colossal asteroid, somewhere between 7 to 50 miles wide, was screaming toward Earth at over 45,000 miles per hour. Unlike the tiny meteors we see on starry nights, this beast didn't burn up in the atmosphere. It punched through like it wasn't even there, reaching the surface in just 3 seconds. And then, boom! The asteroid slammed into the planet with such force that it was equivalent to 1 billion Hiroshima bombs going off at once. The heat from the impact instantly vaporized the sea. The bedrock beneath it flowed like liquid. The Earth itself rippled. A tower of molten rock and ash exploded skyward, reaching higher than Mount Everest. The initial impact carved out a hole 20 miles deep. A second later, that hole rebounded, like a splash in a pool, and created a peak ring inside the crater. You can still see it today in the Chicxulub crater buried under Mexico. But that was just the beginning. Shock waves tore through the crust. Earthquakes rattled the entire globe. Within minutes, skyscraper-sized tsunamis slammed into coastlines. Some reached heights of 1,000 feet, taller than most buildings in New York City. If you were in what's now the United States, your city would have been underwater, or on fire. But it wasn't just the blast. The asteroid threw trillions of tons of debris into space. Some escaped Earth completely, but most came back. Chunks of glassy rock rained down across the globe, heating the air to broiler temperatures. Forests burst into flames. Anything that wasn't underground, underwater, or insanely lucky didn't make it. Next came the darkness. The impact released sulfur and oil into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for years. With 90% less sunlight, global temperatures crashed. A deep freeze set in. Crops died. Rain stopped. It was an extinction-level winter. And almost everything above ground died. So where did this killer rock come from? Scientists believe it originated in the mysterious Oort cloud, a vast shell of icy debris way beyond Pluto. A passing star or a gravitational kick from Jupiter may have flung it toward us. And here's the kicker, this could happen again. In fact, it will happen again, it's just a matter of time. In 2021, an asteroid named 4660 Nereus buzzed past Earth. It was only a few million miles away, which is way too close for comfort in cosmic terms. NASA is working on solutions. Their DART mission recently smashed a spacecraft into a small asteroid to test if we can deflect space rocks. It worked. A little. But would it work on something huge? Maybe, maybe not. So here's the big question. If another Chicxulub-sized asteroid was heading for us, would we be ready? Let me know what you think in the comments. Got an idea for how to save the planet from a space rock? Drop it below. Who knows, you might be the next person to save the world. And if you love learning wild science stories like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Because the universe is wild, and we're just getting started.